The efficiency of boiler systems has a major impact on production in the textile industry. This textile factory in Central Asia chose EPCB's reliable boiler system to improve their production efficiency and reduce energy consumption. This EPCB boiler adopts advanced technology and intelligent control system, which can provide stable heat energy supply and greatly reduce energy waste. In the production workshop of textile factories, from cotton to cloth to garments, every lick of production is inseparable from the support of boilers. After full technical consultation and on-the-spot investigation, the textile mill decided to introduce the EPCB boiler system. EPCB's engineers conducted a survey and layout design on the textile mill site to ensure the best installation of the boiler system. The application effect of the EPCB boiler exceeded the expectation of the curtain production line. The production capacity has been greatly improved, and the product quality has also been significantly improved. EPCB boilers not only improve the production efficiency of textile factories, but also provide workers with a more comfortable and safe working environment. After the successful application of the boiler, the textile mill established a long-term partnership with EPCB. EPCB provides timely technical support and maintenance services to ensure the continuous and efficient operation of the boiler system. EPCB boilers have brought real change to textile mills, and they have achieved greater success through energy-efficient operation. EPCB boiler making the textile industry more efficient and reliable.